Hello, this is Dr. Peter Elkin. I'm here to tell you about the Buffalo and NABLE crisis mask. This is a 3D printed mask and is being given out as a public service in an open source format. We are providing the mask to people who would otherwise perhaps not have them and who could benefit from protection against COVID-19 and any other respiratory pandemic that we find ourselves in. In order to better understand how to utilize the mask, we provide the following demonstration. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Dr. Brianne McKenzie, the University of Buffalo Department of Clinical Informatics. Today I'm going to show you how to properly place your mask. First step, position the respirator in your hands with the nose piece at your fingertips. Then, cup the respirator in your hand, allowing the headband to hang below your hand. Hold the respirator under your chin with the nose piece up. The top strap goes over and rests at the top back of your head. The bottom strap is positioned around the neck and below the ears. You can check your seal by placing both hands over the respirator. Take a quick breath in to check whether the respirator seals tightly around your face. If air leaks around the nose, readjust the nose piece. If air leaks around the edges of the mask, try to readjust the straps along the side of your head until a proper seal is achieved. If you cannot achieve a proper seal due to air leakage, ask for help or try a different size or model. For removing your respirator, remove by pulling the bottom strap over the back of the head. Make sure you do not touch the front of the respirator as it may be contaminated. Now take the remaining strap and pull it over the top of your head like so. And wash your hands.